For the moment, we'll dwell on Biden's other challenge, getting China to reveal what happened in Wuhan. The United States is conducting its own investigation because the first round of investigations were far from comprehensive. They yielded basically no answers. The WHO investigators hardly studied the possibility of a lab leak, and they failed to produce any new evidence that establishes a clear link between the virus and a natural host. In short, we don't know where the virus came from. In fact, those on the outside are now contributing more to the debate. New research has found that more than 47,000 wild animals were being sold in Wuhan in the run-up to the pandemic. Does this confirm the theory that the virus naturally jumped from animals to humans? Here's an assessment.
As the pandemic spread from China to the rest of the world, the Huanan seafood market in Wuhan became the center of global scrutiny. China promptly shut it down and barred access to the market. Experts said this was fertile ground for the Wuhan virus to jump into humans. There's no conclusive proof that this is where the pandemic began. But there's new research to show that Wuhan had many such probable hotspots. Trade in wild animals was rampant in this city. Two researchers gathered data on 17 shops in Wuhan. What they found is staggering. More than 47,000 wild animals were sold in Wuhan in the run-up to the pandemic. What kind of wild animals? Researchers believe at least 38 species were on sale. These included civet cats, mink, raccoon dogs, mammals that are susceptible to coronaviruses, squirrels, badgers, foxes, hedgehogs, even birds, and reptiles. Surprisingly, these researchers say they did not find any evidence that bats or pangolins had been on sale in these markets. The animals sold here were often butchered on site. They were stored in unhygienic areas. It's a setting that is ideal for viruses to jump to humans. The researchers uncovered photographs that show what the Huanan market was like before it was closed. Snakes, rats, raccoon dogs, and other animals were kept alive inside cages. These pictures indicate that much of the live animal trade happened illegally in Wuhan. The reports say that there was no enforcement of mandatory checks on the health of the animals. The lapses were there for everyone to see. The researchers looked at the animals on sale more closely. They found that around 30% of them from 6 species had suffered wounds from gunshots or traps. This included badgers and raccoon dogs. Both of these species can carry the Wuhan virus. These findings are significant. They show why China is called the disease incubator of the world. But they fail to answer the most pressing questions on the origins of the virus. Bureau Report, WION. World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.